If Windows 11 takes forever to start, these two settings could be slowing down your boot time. Go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select view by two large icons. Select power options. On left side, select choose what the power buttons do. Select change settings that are currently unavailable and uncheck this turn on for startup. Disabling fast startup can make the PC boot faster by allowing Windows to start fresh instead of loading a saved system state. Click on Save Changes and then close stuff here. Second setting, open up Task Manager, go to Startup Apps, disable unnecessary startup programs to reduce boot time and help your PC start faster. Just right click on the programs and disable. Once you're done, just close tab here and these are the two settings you need to do for faster startup. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more.